Hi and welcome back to my channel where I'm currently creating my FPS game where you only have 10 seconds to beat the level, 10-second Shuriken. In this video I'll be sharing with you what I've recently been working on in the game. From the feedback I've gotten from playtesters and just playtesting the game again. I have added some new features in the game such as power-ups. One of them is a teleportation Shuriken which teleports you wherever it lands. What I started to work on first, some advice from people who played the beta version of the game said that the falling speed of the character was quite slow, and I agreed and felt as if the movement of the character could be faster. So I changed the character's running, jumping and falling speed, and now in general the character moves a lot faster than he did before, and so he can cover more ground. Because of this, I modified, changed and removed some old levels in the game. Now the player has to move further in some levels as he can move much faster, although this change makes the game a lot more exciting. A small little UI feature I added was when you have less than 2 seconds left to beat a level, the timer in the game will start flashing red. One suggestion that I really liked was the idea to add some power-ups in the game, which was a nice idea as it would add new features towards the game, so I decided in each world I would add a power-up. Although there are no power-ups in World 1, as I wanted the player to just get used to how to play the game and learn how to use the trampolines and defeat the different types of enemies. So, in World 2, where you get the first power-up, when you start in some levels, there will be this glowing double red arrows, which you will need to go to in order to get the power-up. This will give the player the power to double jump. This will be used to traverse long distances in some levels that the player will not be able to make in one jump. So I made some new levels which use this power up. I also changed the way the jump system worked. Before, when you jumped, you had to be on the ground to successfully jump, otherwise it would not work. Now the player just has one default jump that they can use whenever they want. So in World 3, I decided to add this teleportation Shuriken. It appears in the form of a mystical glowing Shuriken. The way it works is, when you throw the Shuriken, and when it lands, it will teleport you towards wherever it landed. So if you aim at an enemy and it hits them, you will destroy the enemy and teleport to where it was just destroyed. Or if you just shot this on a piece of ground, you'd be teleported towards wherever you shot it. This was probably my favourite of all the power-ups which I added. The final power-up I added was a jetpack, which can be found in World 4. This just allows the player to fly through the air when they are using it. In World 4, you will use the jetpack to dodge through lasers and fly to certain areas so that you can reach enemies. You have unlimited fuel because when you use the jetpack, you still only have 10 seconds to beat every level. That's all the power-ups that have been added to the game. Soon, I will let you know in about 2 weeks, I'll be releasing a public demo of the game for anyone to play, just to let you know. Also, in the final version of the game, there will be a secret code. If you want to know what it is, when the game is released, join my free mailing list and you'll get the secret code when the game is released. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Bye.